Hello everyone. So let us study the components of blood in detail. Before proceeding with the components in detail, let us first know what blood is. We know that the blood is red in color. But why this is red in color? It is because of a pigment that is present in the blood which is called hemoglobin. Blood circulates, that is, it reaches each and every part of our body. It delivers necessary materials like nutrients, oxygen, etc. to the cells of our body and removes waste from the same cells. Along with the blood, its components also get circulated around our body. There are majorly four types of components that are present in the blood, which are plasma, white blood cells, platelets, and red blood cells. It was seen that plasma is present almost 55% in our blood, followed by red blood cells, which are present 41% in our blood. Combining platelets and white blood cells, 4% are present in our blood. Starting from the red blood cells, which are also known as RBCs, they play the major role in carrying oxygen from the lungs to the tissues of our body. The pigment present in RBCs, which is called hemoglobin, helps in carrying oxygen. It also helps in carrying carbon dioxide from the tissues of the blood to the lungs. RBCs are basically circular in shape and they do not possess any nucleus, for which they have a shorter life period. Each red blood cell lives for 4 months, but the good thing is they are generated very quickly. If we donate blood, then the blood loss in our body can be generated within a day. So the second component of the blood are the white blood cells or WBCs. They are the shields of our body. They help in protecting our body against any foreign bodies. Either they eat up all the germs or they release antibodies which are helpful in killing disease causing pathogens. Pathogens are basically the germs causing disease in our body. They are either spherical or irregular in shape. They do not possess nucleus, but they are different in different types of white blood cells. The amount of WBCs are always lesser than the number of RBCs that are present in the blood. So let's just now talk about the third component of blood, which is plasma. Plasma is the fluid part of the blood which carries all the components of blood that are RBCs, WBCs and platelets. It is a colorless liquid containing dissolved substances such as protein, digested food, common salt, waste substances and hormones. Apart from this, 90% of the water is present in plasma. These substances are carried from one part of the body to another. Coming to the last component of the blood, which are platelets. So these platelets are the special cells which do not possess any nucleus. These are small and colorless substances, and the main function is that they help in coagulation of blood. That is, for example, for any such cut or wound in any part of the body, the bleeding is stopped by platelets by clotting that blood, that is, making the blood semi-solid and hence stopping the blood flow. Hence, through these slides, we gather that each and every component of blood plays a vital role in our body. Thank you. Join Cerebral Science Academy for comfortable learning. You can also contact us on 9311517934. You can mail us on our email address, which is info.cerebralscience@gmail.com. Thank you.